And into a garage. Yeah, clearly.
Took a pair of dikes to it.
I don't think you understand how happy I am to be in this thing.
Was your car a hardtop or a T-top?
Hard.
Oh.
Mine was all, so mine was same dash. I mean, everything was the same. Except it was a cloth car.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, we should be playing some Leonard Skinner.
Let's do it.
Oh, I love third gen so much. I love the throttle.
Mm-hmm.
I love everything about this.
Mm-hmm. It drives good, man.
I feel like Dwight.
This is all my life. I'm really just trying to be more and more like Dwight, honestly.
Oh, this is not good.
Yeah, it's a pain in the.
I'm just gonna put that there.
There you go.
God, this takes me back so much, man.
Yours is completely stock, right? Or did you do a couple things to it?
It was a toilet bowl injected one.
Oh,
so
okay.
I did an exhaust. I did a filter top, which probably actually hurt it.
Yeah.
I did a stereo, like subs, everything.
Mm-hmm.
And that was it.
My brother had the IROC, and all of his friends, they were all brothers, they all had GTAs. And so when my brother's car was down, he would borrow one of their cars, and then I would ride this, you know?
Oh my God.
It drives good though,
God
doesn't it?
damn it, Kels, you need to just be ready for me to buy a I would daily one of these so hard. The brakes kind of suck on them.
They do suck. I bled them last night because I was like, I can't do this, and they still suck, so.
I gotta send a picture of this to my parents. So this is a 350, isn't it?
Yep,
yeah.
L98.
They're very peppy down low. Roadhouse.
We're even cooler than Patrick Swayze right now.
We are. I'm in just heaven.
Yeah, I can see that dip right when it
oh, when it hit, I was like,
yeah.
All right.
Nothing to do there.
Dude. It's in the tank up top. I can't get any timing into it at all.
They were big puffs.
Yeah, it wants to ping. It's making like 15 pounds of boost.
It's insane.
That's not gonna get. You're not gonna get away with that out here.
Yeah.
Well, let me try and correct the air fuel as best I can, but this thing's not really safe to go above like 5,500 RPM. I mean, it makes a boatload of torque. I mean, you can tell it's got cubic inches behind it. You can also tell it's on 91 octane and stock fuel system.
It's completely stock?
Doesn't even have LT4 stuff in it.
Unbelievable.
It needs that stuff in there. I mean, my suggestion for the end of the day today is going to be pulley the blower up so it's not making so much boost. Put LT4 high side injectors in it just to get back in that timing window at a comfortable area.
Pump and injectors or just injectors?
I would do pump and injectors.
Yeah.
If you're there, you may as well do
Yeah.
them both.
Yeah.
But 91 octane.
I guess the good news is, like, with all that stuff on ethanol, this car should pick up a lot of power.
Yeah.
I guess it would probably need a little more.
Even just good gas.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, anything really.
Yeah. What's going on here?
Got it ready. I'm gonna start pulling it apart. Heads cam, column ported blower.
Oh, we're doing all at once, huh?
Twist this down. Yep.
Nice.
It's gonna go from high 9s to 8s.
Oh yeah. We'll do stages on your car. Nicky Poo.
Stages in my car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, so what are your plans when you get it? Anyway,
Heads cam, porta blower.
My plans are to let my butt heal first,
this guy, he always does this.
and then I'll consider mods.
Bolt-ons after a couple.
Bolt-ons, yeah,
Simple
probably.
bolt-ons.
Yeah, probably just a Kong porta
Simple
blower.
bolt-ons will happen.
If it's
I
a
guarantee
deal.
that. That's just too easy to do.
I mean, game's pretty simple.
Dude.
But you don't have to pull a head for it, so that's pretty simple. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point, Nick.
Dude.
They don't just do it all at once.
You need it. You need. I mean, you have to do it.
Probably need to fix that oil leak anyway.
Yeah, they come with oil leaks in the
Don't come
factory.
with oil leaks.
They do.
Don't come with any oil.
From the factory, they have oil leaks. So Nick, what's going to be your first mod?
My first mod.
ZR1.
5-inch, dude. Cold air intake.
I mean,
Hypothetically.
if I do the intake, I gotta tune it.
Uh-huh.
So it spirals out of control
Ugh.
after that.
Flex fuel kits. What's this?
The mythical blower I thought I would never get.
How long are we waiting?
I think it's been over a year. 2 years, I think, is when they unveiled it at SEMA. The biggest PD blower I've ever seen.
Holy sh**. Dude, it's massive. My hand's pretty big, and it only covers one brick. That is a girthy boy, Girthy Johnson.
I do. Oh, yes. That thing is wide.
I can't wait to see it with the lid off. Wow.
It looks like it's got a decent, well, I wouldn't say a
What's
decent
funny
amount of plumbing
is
volume, but it's
They don't give you
bigger.
any hoses or anything. It is a
Really?
tuner kit. Wow. So that's fun.
Interesting.
Which
That's interesting, though, they didn't even supply anything.
yeah, Brian, there's no, oh man. Doesn't look like there's any hoses for the blower either.
Oh, Brian. What's Papa? Heads are on. Do these have a different high side pumps than the LT4s or not?
They are the same.
No phone. Literally just a blower and some intercoolers. Turned down nice. How'd you do it?
Patience and belt center.
I don't even need a lathe. What the f am I buying a lathe for, Brian?
For lack of patience.
For when Jimmy can use it for projects?
Hey! That's my lane. Alright, go in. Watch out. Alright, I gotta figure out how the f I got this out of here. start something. I don't remember how I got this. But these ducts that are in the way, and I don't want to pull the bumper, pull those.
Yeah.
I got it out, so.
Did it come with a steering rack? Or is that optional?
And rest. This is heavy.
Yeah, it looks significant.
It's not heavy, but when you're holding it,
Oh yeah.
it's heavy.
It's like the Punisher, the first movie.
You look like a strong kid. You must work out. Ever try isometrics?
Or he's like, oh yeah, this bomb weighs 20 pounds. Not much. But try holding it with an outstretched arm. Hell of a workout.
Hell of a workout. It's just this duct. It could go right up if it was any other C7. It would just go right up. Not just any other C7. Cooled AR C7.
Oh, so cool. Oh, it's going past.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and it goes right in, bud.
Oh, dead arms.
It's that easy.
Hell of a workout.
Have you seen the Sonic the Hedgehog preview?
No. Oh yeah, I have. It looks awful.
But there's not really any other way to do it.
No, there really isn't.
What about having a twin turbo vet or whatever?
Yeah, there's just no, the space under the hood and everything else
Yeah.
is very tight. So
So you guys are pretty happy to have
there's
your...
always a compromise with a turbo setup.
Yeah.
You didn't put a wide end, do you?
I do. I can't trust what's in the car. We use tailpipe? I mean,
No.
no.
It doesn't have any top.
Can you mount it in the turbine housing?
Okay.
Can we fit it in front of the turbo?
Nope.
Like the air filters?
How much fresh
Okay,
air
I
is?
tried. Will you pass me the blue fan?
Yeah.
Who is it? Who gets it? You guys have stolen both of the dyno fans. The what? The dyno fans.
So Tom would probably fuck you up, but if you fought Lucas, I think you guys would be a pretty good
This
fight.
one's closer. I'll steal the other one later.
Get your own fans.
I don't want Joe to burn his little handsies.
Because Nick stole his fan.
I'm wearing Frank's car. What do you say?
I'm wiring Frank's cars.
Speedometer is driven off the front wheels, not the rear.
You don't have to do that. It has to stop dipping it. It'll pull speedo off the dip. So the tractor pull it down.
I mean, it seemed like it was breaking up when it was armed, and I had to hit the button to get it to turn off. So it's doing something. However it's set up, it's working. I think. I don't know that.
Sure sounds cool.
Huh?
Sure sounds cool.
Oh yeah. The twin turbo ZR1s still have their own tone to them, you know?
So ignoring this spike that is
Yeah.
not accurate, we're at about 850. That's on set point 4. No converter lockup, 3rd gear. I tried to override the lockup. It doesn't even attempt to lock, which tells me it's not even wired. But I was able to use the override to hold it in 3rd gear, so that's good. Air fuel looks decent.
What's it making for boost on settings?
230 to 240 kPa, so I don't know, 24, 22, 21, something like that.
Does it seem to drive nicer?
No, not that. Kind of. I haven't driven it that much, so I can't say for sure, yes, it drives nicer. It just didn't really drive all that great, in my opinion. So, and the fueling is pretty damn close.
Converter is way too loose.
Converter's too loose.
What's it shoot up to?
This is 3rd gear at like 7,000 RPM.
He's revving the thing out to 76.
Yeah.
Consensus?
It's working.
Sounds like it's working.
It's working.
It sure sounds like a lot more than 800 horsepower. That's
It
for
does,
sure.
doesn't it? Yeah.
Car sounds scary.
We're losing a lot through the converter.
Yeah, it's an unlock converter, yeah.
It's an unlock converter, and I think it's too loose.
Right,
So
fair enough.
I think we need to get another 500 RPM out of that converter.
Yep,
It's slipping too much.
makes sense.
So it might be time for a new one.
Kind of sucks because probably his last one probably worked better then. Because he said it was too
Last
tight.
one, I don't think he could build any boost out of on the line at all.
Oh, okay.
So I mean, he did run a new best with this converter,
Uh-huh.
but there's got to be something that's a happy medium.
Right.